guys, so we're here today to show a sweep called helicopter. And then if it doesn't work for some reason, I'll go for the leg lock.
Let's go.
Starting here, butterfly guard, I grab crossing sleeve. And then as I go to grab under my legs, his pants by his knee, I'll go and here, I sweat. I can start working here to pass the guard. And
Or only stabilize on top and get
the 2
2 points.
points, and then from there you work a passing guard.
As Professor Mari said, if it doesn't work, the main reason sometimes this technique doesn't work because the person defends, or I break her grip, I get my arms free, or she let go by herself for intentional, for me push my hands, and now she has the good attack, the leg lock to make me tap.
Yeah, if I lose this grip here, if I lose it, I throw him and lock, triangle here for the leg lock. Alright guys, hope you like it. Thank you so much.
Os.